Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sit ready, adjust seat and mirrors so you reach the pedals comfortably. Depress the clutch fully and select first gear. This engages the transmission. Slowly raise the throttle to about 500 RPM so the engine has power, then begin to release the clutch until you feel the biting point, where the car wants to move. Once done, smoothly combine more throttle with continued clutch release. This prevents stalling and ensures a controlled takeoff. Once you gain momentum, watch the tachometer and road speed. Plan to shift at approximately 503,000 RPM for normal driving. You lift off the throttle, depress the clutch fully, and move the lever to second gear. Then release the clutch progressively while reapplying throttle to match speed. This transfer of load keeps acceleration seamless. Make sure to anticipate upcoming changes. If speed falls or the engine begins to lug, downshift early. To finish a maneuver, coordinate brakes and clutch. Press the clutch before speed drops too low and shift toward neutral when stopped. For spirited downshifts, use heel toe to match revs. For most drivers, normal rev matching with a quick throttle blip suffices. If you hear gear grinding, do not force the lever. Release the clutch, re-engage gently, then try again while blipping the throttle to match RPMs. This corrects mismatch and prevents damage. Practice builds timing and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.